Good morning, students. You are again welcome to Excel Commerce, and today we are going to discuss very important topic, marketing management philosophies. And you should understand what are those marketing management philosophies if you want to market product. There are 5 marketing management philosophies that you have to study in class 12. The first one is production concept, the second one is product concept, third one is selling concept, fourth one is marketing concept, and fifth one is societal marketing concept. So you have to remember these 5 marketing management philosophies, and I tell you that where students confuse as far as production concept and product concept is concerned, students get confused here, production concept and product concept. So I'll make it completely clear so that you can understand the difference in between production concept and product concept. Otherwise, all the rest marketing management philosophies are self-explanatory, so there is no confusion arises. But confusion arises only here at production concept and product concept. Now, what is the meaning of production concept? Production concept means product should be made available at an affordable price. Product should be made available at an affordable price. How it is possible to make the product available at an affordable price? Moreover, product should be available widely so that customers do not face any problem as far as the availability of the product is concerned. Product should be made available at each and every counter. It should be available freely. But production concept suggests that product should be made available at an affordable price. So how can we make product available at an affordable price? You can make product available at an affordable price when you increase the level of production, or you can say when you go for mass production, then you can reduce the cost of the production. And when you reduce the cost of production, you can make the product available at affordable price. So the basic concept is that you have to produce more and more. You should try to produce more and more. It means if your demand is greater, then you can produce more. Or if your requirement is more, you will have to produce more. There is another way of increasing the production. Suppose if you want to add another market, or if you want to add more number of customers, then you will have to produce more. Or you can go for joint production. Say for example, 2 or 3 manufacturers or marketeer, they require the product. Then if you increase the level of production, then cost reduces. And in this situation, you can make the product available at an affordable price. So that is the concept behind production. The second one is product concept. What is the meaning of product concept and how it differs from production concept? Product concept means you should focus on the quality of the product. Quality in what sense? The amount that is paid by the customer. In fact, the customer wants that he should get the quality according to the price of the product. So first of all, you should make a product which is a quality product or a standard product which follows on all the norms of standardization. It means you are offering a quality product. Now, the second thing customer wants, that whatever he pays in terms of money, he should get worth of his money. So the quality should be like that. First thing, quality should be standard quality. Second, it should match with the price of the product. So you should focus more on quality. So when you focus more and more on quality, this suggests product concept. And when you want to go for mass production or large production, then it is production concept. And the third one is selling concept. What is the meaning of selling concept? In fact, there are many promotional tools. Say for example, advertising, sales promotion activity, personal selling. So you have to put more and more focus on selling, how you can sell your product to customers or consumers. So how it can be done? How can we achieve the goal of selling? Selling can be increased by motivating the customers, by convincing the customer. Then only you can increase the sales, or you can stimulate the customers to buy more and more. So with the help of motivation and stimulating the customer, pursuing the customer to buy more and more. So you have to focus more on selling. You should know the technique of selling. You should know the art of selling. You should have the skill how you can sell the product. This is possible with the help of motivation and persuasion of the customer. So selling concept suggests that you should motivate your customers and pursue your customer so that you can register more and more sales. So I think you must have understood all about production concept, product concept and selling concept. In my next video, I'll discuss about marketing concept and societal marketing concept. Till then, have a nice day.